Want to add your logo to Shopify? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to add logo to Shopify. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser, then search Shopify. Now head over to shopify.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now click on online store, then select themes. Now you will find your current theme over here. Click on the customize option. Once you get here, click on this gear icon to open up your theme settings. Now select logo and favicon. You will find the option of default logo. Click on the select option. Now you will have different default options over here. If you want to upload your own, click on add files. Then select the item. Now click on open. After that, you want to click on the done option. As you can see, your logo will be added. Next, you want to add favicon. Favicon is the small logo that appears at the top of your website. Now, in order to add this, you want to click on select. Now click on add files. Select your preferred favicon and then click on the done option. Now go ahead and click on save. Once that is done, click on these three dots. From here, you want to click view. Now it's going to preview how your website will look like. As you can see, you have your logo over here, and at the top, you have the favicon. In the same way, if you want to add logo in any other page, such as in checkout page or in products page, you can simply select the page from here, then add the logo in those pages as well. And in this way, you can easily add logo in Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.